Hello guys, this is me Muhammad Atif. Today we discuss hire a Houston Maritime Injury Lawyer at Cobb's Law. At Cobb's Law, our Houston Maritime Injury Lawyer is proud to help injured maritime workers seek compensation. Every occupation has its risk, and the maritime industry is no different. In fact, seamen participate is one of the most hazardous industry in existence. Seamen are at risk for war-related injuries whenever they are on the boat. The court recognized this. Moreover, our Houston personal injury law firm works. Injury law firm works. Injury law firm works. Injury law firm works. Injury law firm works continuously. Injury law firm works continuously to fight for injured seamen. Maritime law allows injured maritime workers the opportunity to claim necessary compensation for any suffering of work-related complications. Moreover, these laws are the basis for all injured seamen's assistance. These laws are the basis for all injured that seamen's assistance. When you sustain. Moreover, these laws are the basis for all injured that seamen's assistance. That seamen sustain. When you sustain an injury at sea, when you sustain an injury at sea, it is vital to work. It is vital to work with the Houston Maritime Atterney with a comprehensive understanding of these laws. If you have been injured in the maritime industry, contact our personal injury attorneys and let us fight for you. Our maritime injury lawyers help injured duckworkers. Our maritime injury lawyers help injured duckworkers. Our maritime injury lawyers help injured duckworkers. Our maritime injury lawyers help injured dock workers and seamen attain the compensation they require to recover. At our personal injury law. To our personal injury law. चोद के बच्चे. At our personal injury law firm, typically serious injury leads to expensive